Hey, welcome back to another episode of ACT, SAT, and PSAT math questions. This is Romel with the Jack's Tutor. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little geometry. We're gonna find the length of the side of a rectangle based on the certain information that we have. Let me show you what we have. Where we at? We're doing this one right here. So it says the perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is 96. The ratio of the side lengths, or AB divided by BC, is 3 over 5. What is the length in centimeters of AB? So, let's see. We have a rectangle. I can draw A, B, C, D. Okay, so remember when you're doing it, you gotta do it in order. You can't just put A here, D here. So if they say that the rectangle is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, you can start here, A, B, C, D, but you just gotta be rotating a certain way. Just that makes sense in order. All right, so they say the other information that they gave us is the ratio of AB divided by BC is 3 over 5. So what does that tell us? That implies if we cross multiply 3BC, so we'll multiply this one by this one, is equal to 5 AB. 3BC is equal to 5AB. What does that say again? That implies if we divide both sides of this equation by 3, we divide this one by 3, we divide this one by 3, that implies BC is equal to 5/3 AB. All right, so now the other information that they give us is the perimeter of the rectangle is 96. Okay, so now they want the length of AB, which is this one. So what do we know about the formula of the perimeter? Perimeter is like, the circumference, like everything that, makes up, like if you think about the border that makes up this triangle, this rectangle. So you calculate the length of that. So to calculate the total length of that, so what you would do, you add this one here to this one, and then you add that to this one, and then you add that to this one. So you have 4 sides you gotta add. But in a rectangle, we know this one is equal to this one is equal to this one. So we have twice AB and twice BC. So the perimeter, the formula for the perimeter, you already know that is 2 times the length, 2 times length, 2AB. Let's leave them in that, and plus 2 BC. So what I'm saying is BC plus BC, because this is this, that's the formula of the perimeter. This is equal to this, and then this is equal to this. So you have 2AB plus 2BC. So all we can say, P is equal to 2AB plus BC, because it's the same thing here. All right, so what do we know? We know the perimeter is 96. So what we have here is 96 is equal to 2AB plus BC. All right, so what can we do here? We divide both sides by 2. 96 divided by 2 is 48. Let me write it the other way. AB plus BC is equal to 48. We divide both sides by 2. Now, so that means we have AB plus, because we have one equation, we need one variable to be able to solve for that equation. So we already have BC in terms of AB. What it says here is BC is the same BC, saying the same thing as 5 over 3 AB. 5 over 3 AB. Because the equation told us what this one BC equal to. I just replace it by its value. And then you got 48. So, if factor out AB, well, 1. When you factor out AB here, what you left here is 1 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 48. All right, so what's 1 plus 5 over 3? Let's finish here. Yeah, this board is getting smaller and smaller. What's 1 plus 5 over 3? Oh, I think I can write some. AB is equal to 1 plus 5 over 3 is, remember the trick that we always do. Think about a 1 here. So this one times this one, plus this one times this one, divided by this one times this one. So it's 3 times 1, 3, plus 1 times 5, 5, divided by 1 times 3, 3. So 3 plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 48. So what does that say? 3 plus 5 divided by 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 3, AB is equal to 48. That implies AB is equal to 48 times 3 divided by 8. 48 times 3 divided by 8. See if we have a calculator. 48 times 3 divided by 8. That gives us 18. I don't know if you're able to see that. That gives us AB is equal to 18. AB is equal to 18. And this is in the book. This is answer choice. It should be answer choice. Let me see where we at. It should be here, right? Yeah, answer choice B here. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You will help a lot of kids taking those standardized tests, and they can be hard sometimes. Thank you very much. Again, this is Romel with the Tutor. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.